Hello, it's me, Miss P. I'm back. So hopefully you watched the video. I'm not going to watch it again because we watched it the other day, and you can watch it in your Ignite, and you can watch it here. So I've given you plenty of places to watch it. So we're thinking about Gladys and her, how life has been better for her since she got this well. So we're thinking of concepts. What key concepts or ideas do you think are important and worth holding onto from the text? And then changes. What changes in attitudes, thinking, or action are suggested by the text either for you or others? So let's think about that. Come on. Here we go. All right. So we are thinking about concepts. Now this was Gladys and how her how people came in to help her, and well, not just her but others, to bring them clean water. So let's go with the concept that if people have clean water, they won't be sick and won't miss school. I don't like that font for it's so small. Let's go with that one. So there's one concept. Also, maybe that there are people that want to help get clean water to everyone. All right, so those are some concepts. Changes. I think one big change in the video was that Gladys could now get water that is clean and available anytime. So because before they had to go hunt for water, and they were getting it out of like puddles and streams, and you saw it was dirty and full of gross sand and stuff. And so now with this well changed a lot of stuff for her. She can get clean water anywhere. And also the change is that kids can attend school regularly. So kids aren't getting sick and they can go to school. You guys are now going to try this on your own right here, and you're going to work with the same video that you did on Tuesday. All right? Bye. I'm online today, 9:30 to 12:30.